Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gifts for boys is probably one of the most daunting tasks for many parents and relatives, especially with the vast array of options available today. 7-year-old boys are at an age where their interests are rapidly evolving, making it crucial to select a present that not only sparks their imagination but also aligns with their developing personality and hobbies, ensuring hours of fun and engagement. This video will help you navigate the choices and find the perfect gift for that special 7-year-old boy in your life. Number 5. Whoobli Punching Bag. Get ready for hours of fun and fitness with this awesome punching bag. It's designed to withstand even the most enthusiastic punches from your little ones. Made from durable PU leather, it can take a beating and keep coming back for more. It's the perfect way to burn off energy and have a blast. Perfect for birthdays or holidays, this set is a guaranteed hit with kids of all ages. It's a fun and active gift that will keep them entertained for hours. It comes with everything you need, including a pump and gloves. The adjustable height makes it perfect for kids aged 3 to 10. We're confident you'll love this punching bag set. If you have any issues, we're here to help. Try it risk-free today. What we like. It's the only punching bag in fun colors. This inflatable bag is tough and durable, perfect for energetic kids. If you are looking for a fun and active gift that will last, this is it. What people say. Stable and sturdy, product exceeding my expectations and was absolutely worth the purchase. My son will likely enjoy for many years to come. The Whoobli Punching Bag for kids is a fantastic addition to any child's playroom or backyard, providing endless hours of active and engaging fun. One of the standout features of the Whoobli Punching Bag is its durable construction. Made from high-quality materials, it can withstand the energetic punches and kicks of children without losing its shape or integrity. The bag is designed to be sturdy and resilient, ensuring long-lasting use even in the face of enthusiastic play. Easy to build and takes punches with no breakage. My son loves. Number 4. Winning Fingers Flashing Cube. It enhances your brain skills, hand-eye coordination, and reaction time. It's perfect for home or travel, just remember to grab 3 AAA batteries. Enjoy the thrill of chase and catch me. Race to press the blinking red lights, avoid the green, and grab the blue bonus lights. It's a test of speed and accuracy. Try the follow and remember me games. It challenges your memory with sequences of flashing lights that you must memorize and repeat. It's challenging but fun for all ages. When the games are over, activate the light show and enjoy a dazzling display of flashing lights. This cube is fun for kids and adults. Measuring 2.75 by 2.75 by 2.75 inches, it's made of quality materials for lasting durability. It offers endless hours of brain-teasing fun, much like a Rubik's Cube. What we like. This 4-in-1 cube features exciting light-up games. It challenges your speed, reaction time, and memory skills. If your child enjoys brain teasers and cool gadgets, this is a great choice. What people say. Lots of different games to play with it and easy to carry with him wherever he goes. A lot of fun. A bunch of different games. Never gets old. Great for memory and hand-eye coordination. Great quality. Number 3. Klutz Paper Airplanes Kit. Get ready for takeoff with the Klutz Paper Airplanes Kit. It's the perfect way to build and fly your own amazing creations. This kit lets you build 10 different paper airplanes. Each one has unique flight characteristics, so you can experiment and find your favorite. With 40 sheets of custom-designed paper, you'll have plenty of materials to build and rebuild your planes. The paper is designed for optimal flight. The 56-page instruction book provides crystal clear, step-by-step instructions. Even beginners can build awesome planes. It's an Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Award winner and a Parents' Choice Award winner. You know it's a high-quality and engaging toy. This kit is perfect for kids aged 7 and up. It's a great way to develop creativity and fine motor skills. What we like. It includes 10 different plane designs and 40 sheets of custom paper. It's a fun and educational activity that sparks creativity. If you're looking for a unique and engaging activity kit, this is perfect. What people say. The step-by-step instructions provided in the Klutz book are clear, concise, and accompanied by vibrant illustrations, making the process of creating various paper airplanes an absolute breeze. What sets this kit apart is its ability to cater to a wide range of skill levels. Whether you're a novice or an experienced paper plane engineer, the Klutz book offers designs that challenge and inspire. The high-quality materials provided, including the well-designed paper, ensure that each creation soars gracefully through the air. Number 2. Magnetic Dartboard Game. This magnetic dartboard is perfect for family fun. It's easy to use for kids and adults alike, providing hours of entertainment. Forget sharp darts. These magnetic ones stick firmly to the board, ensuring safety for everyone, especially children. No more worries about wall damage. Enjoy 2 exciting games with this double-sided dartboard. One side features a traditional dartboard, while the other offers an archery-style game. It's the ideal size for any space. Simply hang it on a wall and you're ready to play. Instructions are included for optimal placement. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This dartboard is a fantastic choice for kids and adults who enjoy a bit of friendly competition. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays. Play it indoors during rainy days or take it outside for some backyard fun. It's versatile and enjoyable in any setting. It's more than just a game, it's a tool to encourage a spirit of challenge and improve hand-eye coordination. Kids will love the competitive aspect. What we like. It comes with magnetic darts, so it's safe for kids. This double-sided dartboard offers 2 games in one. If you're looking for a fun and safe indoor game, this is a great option. What people say. Magnet strength is good, great item for kids, so easy to use. The darts have super strong magnets and are available in 4 colors, red, yellow, green, and blue. The dartboard is sturdy, easy to install, and looks lovely on a fence wall. A nice option for indoor play that won't put holes in walls. A good value with 2-sided play. Number 1. Hapinest DIY Dino Lantern. It's a complete kit, everything is included to make a unique dinosaur lantern. Let's get started and watch the magic unfold. Simple instructions make it perfect for kids aged 6 and up. It's a great way to spend quality time together and create lasting memories. Just add batteries and press the button to see the color-changing lights. It transforms into a mesmerizing night light. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion. Dinosaur lovers will absolutely adore this unique and engaging gift. Made with a sturdy plastic jar and components, it's built to last. It's designed with children's safety in mind. This DIY kit lets your child design their own dinosaur-themed night light. It's fun, creative, and educational. What we like. It's a complete DIY kit to make a dinosaur night light. This creative activity is easy and fun for kids. If your child loves dinosaurs and crafting, this is the perfect gift. What people say. It seems easy and simple to create. This is actually a really great boys do-it-yourself kit. It's pretty hardy and durable for little hands. It's not too girly, but in terms of looks it's very boyish, but a girl could enjoy it too. Completed with 6-year-old grandson. So easy to assemble. Finished night light was different and seems sturdy. We had a lot of fun pulling it together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.